Alright guys, you're welcome again to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up your business manager. How to set up your business manager on Facebook so you can run your ad. Alright, so now first of all, you need to have access to a page. Just like what you are seeing here, this is a page. So from page, you come to business.facebook.com. Right, you come to business.facebook.com. From this aspect, right, this is the page. So once you click on the link like this, you come to all tools. You can see all tools here. Click on all tools. Okay. Right, so just wait for it to load up. So once you click on all tools, from all tools, you come to ads manager. You can see ad manager here. You click on it. Okay. So the reason why, if you have a business manager, you need to have a Alright, so once you come to your business manager, this one, let me click on it so you see very well. This is a profile ad account. A profile ad account is used for just a particular in your profile ad account. You cannot really monitor what is going on your Facebook. Alright, more especially if you want to track your leads, you want to track your sales. You cannot actually do that on your profile ad account. That is why you need a business manager. This is a business account. You can see it there. This particular Facebook account has two business manager. You can see it one, you can see it two. All right, so in the business manager, you can run multiple ads, all right, for different clients. In your business manager, you can also set up different pixels to help you track different activities. All right, so the reason for pixel is a piece of code you attach to your website to help you monitor whatever thing that is going on your website. All right, so for this particular aspect, I will choose any of them, and I will also tell you how you can set it up yourself. So once you come to your business.facebook.com, you come to either of the two. I will just work with any of them. The same process applies. So I will come to add account DM. I'll click on it. All right, so I want to work on this aspect. So once I come over to this place, because this is a new Facebook, right? So I will go over to where I have. So once you come over to this place, you can see it's saying add payment method, right? And you can also see where it says go to account overview. Reason is because there are some things I need to do before I can be able to use this particular business manager to run Facebook, to run advert rather. So I will click on it. So as I click on it, you see what it's saying. Now add your payment method. Right, in this aspect, I always advise, don't just rush and put payment method, because the payment method you are going to be using is governed by PayU. All right, PayU, with PayU you can use different card, most especially if you have Master and Mastercard and Visa card to run your ad. But if you go ahead and set it up, you click on it like this. Let's see what this will show, so you see what I'm telling you. You can see now. So I'll click on next. You can see Nigeria Naira, West Lagos. All right, click on next. So you can see the PayU. All right, so sometimes it doesn't come. You can see where it says pay to bank transfer, but this is the most effective one, this PayU. All right, you click on it and you click on next. Right, so they will ask us to put a card to do all the necessary thing. Like I always see in that aspect, I will just skip. All right, I'll skip. All right, it's asking me to fund it. I don't want to fund now, so I'll just close it. This part I'll just click on skip for now. All right, now it's asking me to create a business page. That was why I told you before that before you begin, create your page. Don't just rush and and go to business manager and start doing your setting up. Create your page like a day or 2 days before. Set it up very well, like what you are seeing here. Then you can see that my page health is good. Make sure the reason why this page health is good is because once you create your page, put a good banner cover like what you are seeing here. Then put a profile picture. Then drop some content on the page. All right, just to show that, just to tell Facebook algorithm that activity is already going on this page. Not that you create a page today, you want to set up your business today, you want to do everything today. No, it doesn't work that way. Right? To protect your Facebook account and to also make sure that everything is working fine, just take one thing at a time. If you are creating your page today, create it today, set everything up, then you can start posting just to make sure that activity is going on. Don't rush every of this process because Facebook algorithm is changing by the day. All right, so that is what I need to let you know. So since I already have my page, I will come here, I'll click on go to business settings. All right, I'll click on business settings. So you can see where it says add a page. I'll click on it. I'll click on add a page. Now I'll type the name of the page, Business Bridge. Can you see it's already showing up here? I'll click on it. You can see the page here, Business Bridge. Then I'll click on add page. All right, I'll click on close. The page has been added. All right, so I can refresh this now. All right, so the page has been added. It's asking me to confirm. I'll click on confirm. Okay, good. Now the next thing is asking me to verify the phone number. All right, I'll click on verify the phone number. Once I click on add the phone number, you can see that. Then select the country code, Nigeria. All right, whichever country you are using, so just select your country code. Right, the thing is just to make sure that everything you are doing on this page, on this Facebook page, on this Facebook business manager is safe and secure. So you don't have anything to be scared of. Just put the thing they ask you now. This is it. I'll click on that. Then I'll put my phone number. So let me. Can you see the phone number has been confirmed? All right. Can you see that? So once you do all this process, you don't have issues. So I'll click on done. I'll click on done. All right. So let's wait. Click on done. Let me refresh. Network. Now look at what they said here. It says congratulations on completing your setup. Now it's time to create your first campaign. Right? Once it is up and running, you can check weekly. You can check weekly performance here. Right? So we are done with all this. Now let me click on. I'll come back here. Click on all tools. Then click on ad manager. You see that everything, that ad account overview will no longer be there. They're asking us to run our ad. Can you see that now? It says create ad. Can you see there, create ad? Okay, so before we move over to that aspect, let me quickly just explain some ad accounts, some campaigns you can run on your Facebook. All right, different campaigns you can run on your Facebook. So if I come over to this place and I click on create, if I click on create, you can see where it says loading creation. Right, good. These are various campaigns you can run on your Facebook. You have awareness. Awareness talks about show your art to people who are mostly likely to remember them. You can call it awareness, reach, brand, video overview, and that. Okay. You have what is called traffic. Traffic is sending people to your website, to your landing page, or to give you a call or message. You can see that there. Then you have engagement. These are different different campaigns you can run on Facebook. You have engagement. People to engage with your page. If you have a particular page, just like this page I have here now, if I want people to like this page, to grow my followers, to grow my like, this is what I'll do. I will create engagement, right? Engagement. If I also have a post on my page, I want people to also engage with the post. That means when I talk about engagement, I talk about like, share, and follow. Like, share, and comment. If I want people to do all these things on my post, I will also run. This is the best campaign option you can choose. If I also want people to send me message to my WhatsApp straight, this is the ad campaign you can run. All right, you have the lead. Lead talks about getting people who are interested in your business. Okay, getting people. Lead talks about prospects of people who are interested in your business. Okay, so you can get them to you. All right, via collecting their emails, collecting their phone number, collecting their just make sure that all this information are with you, their name, their email, their phone number, so you can reach out to them in the various platform you can. You have the app promotion. If you have an app or you have an app you want to promote on, you want people to download on Facebook, you can also promote the app via Facebook. And if you have a product you want to sell, this is the best platform, this is the best option you can use, which is called sales. All right, with this particular one, it can help you to monitor whatever thing you are doing. All right, this particular, this most especially this sales and this lead, they both work effectively with pixels. Before you can run this advert, you must make sure you set up your pixels. All right, I've talked about that on my previous video, just the videos around. Probably I will just add a link in the description of this video, how you can set up your pixels, how you can connect your pixel to your website so you can track whatever activity that is going on your website. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. Hope you got value from this particular video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so you will always be notified whenever new videos are posted. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.